Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a profile backlink. So the website name is bonanza.com and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access this website easily. So now we can move forward. So before they started, we can ensure something about that website. So according to SimilarWeb, this website having 2.2 million total visitors. This is a monthly traffic, and you can see the mostly traffic from USA, Canada, Argentina, Indonesia and the UK. And according to Acharya, the domain rating is 81, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 81, and the spam score is 1%. Choose your postal code, and after that you can select your country, and this is optional. And after that you can click for the terms and condition button. You can click for the create account button, and after that this website can send you a verification email over your email ID, so you can verify your profile over there. So you can see we received it, and now I can go to verify profile. So you have to see our profile is verified, and see all blog posts, so we can check create a new save search. Okay, this is not relevant for us. Okay, so these are our blogs, and you can see there is a setting button. You can click over there, and you can update your account information. So from there you can add your all details, and you can add your addresses, and there you can add your phone number, your business number, and you guys have to click for the save all changes. And once you guys can complete this process, so there you can see there is edit your profile page button. You can click over there, and simply you can land it on your profile. So this is your profile landing page URL, and now our profile is live. Now I can show you in an incognito tab. So you can see this is our profile, and once you guys can create a profile, you guys have to wait a couple of time. Once your profile is approved from the Bonanza moderator team, then you guys are get access to edit your profile all details. So there you guys will add your update your banner image, your business description. You guys will add your website URL and another feature, but you guys have to wait a couple of time. Once you guys can create your profile, then you guys will update again your profile details and another features. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.